Well, the Downdraft got some updates this year also. I got my tri-power, the controversial tri-power. I like it. I think it looks cool. Be good for rat rods, or if you just want to be different. After the Lansing swap meet, I will have it on an engine and be showing the demonstration. And I've had this for a while. Stock carburetors on, make it look like a ratty. And let me tell you, that thing is very, very throttle happy with the carburetor. Then I got the 4-row Edelbrock or Holly, the good old standard stock carburetor, and yes, those work really good. I got 130 horse on an 1835 with that. And then also, it comes in an IDF option with the 40. So it has 5 intake options, and we're designing more stuff, and we got a few other things in the works for different stuff. Thank you.